The future of luxury electric cars has finally arrived with the new 2027 Tesla Model X, a futuristic electric SUV that looks more modern, aggressive, and sophisticated than the previous generation. Tesla has once again proven that they are not just making ordinary electric vehicles, but also creating future technology combined with premium design and extraordinary performance. The front of the 2027 Tesla Model X immediately gives a futuristic and elegant impression. Tesla features an ultra-thin LED headlight design that stretches horizontally, making the car appear wider and more modern. This new signature light provides a distinctive, premium identity, especially when illuminated at night. The illuminated Tesla logo in the center of the grille further enhances the high-tech feel. The hood has been refined with aerodynamic curves that help improve air efficiency while providing a sporty appearance. Now, let's move on to the side. The 2027 Tesla Model X has a very elegant silhouette with smooth body lines and sportier proportions. The roofline is made more sloping, giving the car a modern coupe-like feel without compromising cabin comfort. The glossy red bodywork looks very luxurious when caught in the light. The character lines that extend from front to rear give the car aerodynamic and premium look. Large wheels with a modern multi-spoke design further enhance the sporty impression while improving aerodynamic performance. The flush door handles are retained to create a clean and futuristic side view. Now we move on to the rear. The rear design of the 2027 Tesla Model X is very futuristic and classy. Full-width LED taillights stretch from left to right, creating a modern look typical of futuristic concept cars. The illuminated Tesla Model X lettering in the center is the main focus. When the taillights are activated, the appearance is very luxurious and exclusive. The rear bumper is made sportier with a modern diffuser that helps improve the vehicle's aerodynamics. The blue light accents at the bottom provide a unique sci-fi feel that sets it apart from other SUVs. The rear window is made more seamless with subtle curves that blend with the body design. From the rear, this car looks wide, sturdy, and very premium. Tesla has truly succeeded in creating an electric SUV that looks modern from every angle. Now it's time to move on to the interior, and this is one of the most impressive areas of the 2027 Tesla Model X. The interior looks incredibly luxurious and futuristic. The dashboard is designed in a minimalist style with clean horizontal lines and the use of premium materials such as soft-touch finishes, carbon fiber, and modern ambient lighting accents. In front of the driver is a digital instrument cluster with sharp graphics that display information about speed, navigation, battery life, and the autonomous driving system. The center of the dashboard features Tesla's signature large infotainment screen, which serves as the control center for almost all vehicle features. Tesla's latest system appears much faster and more responsive with its modern graphics and the latest artificial intelligence support. Now let's discuss the performance and technology of the electric motor. The 2027 Tesla Model X is expected to use the latest generation of Tesla electric motors, with dual-motor and tri-motor performance options. The highest variant is likely capable of producing over 1,000 horsepower. Acceleration is predicted to be extraordinary. Tesla is likely to be able to propel this SUV from 0 to 100 km per hour in less than 2.5 seconds. This performance is even comparable to modern supercars. Tesla is also rumored to be introducing the latest battery technology with higher efficiency and longer durability. Its range is estimated to reach over 700 kilometers on a single charge. Overall, the new 2027 Tesla Model X is the perfect combination of futuristic design, modern technology, premium luxury, and exceptional performance. From its aggressive front end, elegant side design, futuristic rear, to its high-tech interior, everything demonstrates that Tesla is taking the automotive world into a new future. What do you think of the new 2027 Tesla Model X? Are you interested in owning a futuristic electric SUV like this? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell to get the latest updates on future cars and modern automotive technology. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.